Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and I got my hair braided, y'all. Yes, I did. No, I'm playing. I didn't get my hair braided. This is actually a wig, okay? Yeah, it's a wig. If you guys do want to see how I achieve this seamless braided look, seriously, y'all, with just a little bit of love, one wig, and no glue at all, make sure that you keep watching this video. And I got a special surprise for you in the description box, so just keep watching. I can't stop running my fingers through this thing because, listen, I am so tender-headed. You guys know that. That's kind of why I prefer wigs to braids all the time. But this thing is so gorgeous. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was kind of nervous. You and I have both seen braided wigs sometimes. I don't want to get into detail, but you've seen braided wigs that, like, the pattern looks good and everything, and then somebody puts it on and it kind of looks like a helmet, you know? So I had no idea what I was getting with this thing until I put it on. This is a 13x4 lace base, so it is a frontal wig. It has lace from ear to ear. I like that it's versatile and it's really fitting. The only thing I'm probably going to do is like just sleep with a cap on to continue to mold it to my head shape and size. But other than that, girl, this is a 1B30 blend hair color, which I do love because I love me a jet black look. Like, I'm ready to go on vacation wearing this thing. I'm ready to, I don't know, just fly somewhere with this wig on. It is so perfect, and I cannot keep my hands out of it. I didn't really have to add any mousse to it. It came preset. As you can see with the ends, they came preset, pre-curled and braided out. And it just gives you that natural braiding hair shop look that we love and adore. It did come pre-plucked, pre-braided, and it also came with the baby hairs already kind of separated and curled for you. So for a baby hair beginner like me, I can definitely appreciate that. Not only is this wig a Swiss lace wig in the front part of the wig, but it's also made with 100% Kanekalon hair. So that means not only are you getting a super natural braided look, if your ends start to lose that little wave right there, all you got to do is braid it right back like we used to and dip it in some hot water and you're good to go. This is not heavy at all. I love the density of this wig. I was surprised how full it was and light at the same time. I gotta be honest with you. This wig is from Gorgius. That's with an I. I'll leave the website link down below. Now, usually when I go for a braided look, I like the individuals because I'm not quite sure if I'm going to end up looking like the Predator. But this kind of is just giving me a whole different like vibe. It gives you the perfect look in less than half the time and less than half the money. Okay, let's be real here. It's super affordable. You can try different styles with it. Most times when you do see a braided wig, it's braided on a closure. This wig itself is braided on a frontal lace wig. So if you want to kind of add some variety to your look, you definitely can. This is a everyday wig that you do not have to curl, soften, straighten, style. If you want, just spray your wig sheen and go, and you're good to go. This wig not only came with 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back, it also came with an elastic band under the cap. Now, you know we here at Simply Tea TV love elastic bands, and I know you guys do too. It's not one of those elastic bands that go all the way around. You can take the latch on, you can take the latch off. Would I recommend this to anybody out there? Most definitely. Not only because of the comfort and the lightness of this wig and the final look of it and how seamless it is. I'm telling you, literally all I did was throw some foundation on the lace on the bottom and the top. The baby hairs took care of the rest of the work for me. Now, I know things look differently in person than they do on camera from time to time, but I gotta say, I fooled a couple people today with this wig. So you know how this goes, guys. I'm going to give you a couple angles of this wig. You're going to drop down in the comments and let me know what you think of this wig. And of course, if you want this wig for yourself and you have to have it, just go ahead, click on that description box, and I'll leave all of that information and a little secret on how to save your coin on this girl in there as well. Guys, thank you as always for clicking play. I will make sure to see you same place next time. Now, excuse me while I go enjoy this wig and fool a couple more people. All right, peace out.